saying number 271. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." It is related that two persons were brought to Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him. They had committed theft of public property. One of them was a slave purchased from public money and the other had been purchased by someone among the people. Then Amir al-Momineen said, "As for this one who is the property of public money, there is no punishment for him, for it means one property of Allah having taken another property of Allah. As for the other, he should get the punishment." Consequently, his hand was cut